Okay guys, in this video we are going to look at how to add drop-down boxes to our products on our WordPress or Woocommerce website. On our website we want to look at how to add colors, sizes and different options to each product that we have. So first you should start off here on your dashboard. This is when you log into your website. On the left hand control panel we're going to scroll all the way down to the Products tab. In here, when we hover over it, we want to go to the tab that says Attributes. So we'll click on Attributes. This will open a new page that says that we have not defined any extra product data yet. So, depending on the drop-down, let's start making one. So we'll call the first one Size. So in the name, we're going to put the size. In the slug, we're just going to do the same again, but in all small letters. And then we're going to press Add Attribute. Now the next one we might put in might be Color. So we'll start with color and size. If you have any other drop downs that you want to add to your product, you can do so on this page. Once we've added in the main headings that we want, we can now start to configure what drops down out of the boxes. So for color, for example, let's go over here to Configure Terms. We'll click on this. Now it's going to ask us to enter in the colors. So there's no colors found at the moment. So we can put in the colors that your item might come in. Let's say red. We might have a blue. We'll put pink in there. We'll put in black. And we'll put in white. So of course you can put in any number of colors that you wish to do so here. Now once we've done that, we can head back to the previous page again by clicking on Attributes. And now let's configure our sizes. So we'll click on Configure Terms once again, but this time under Size. So in most cases, you'll probably have small or S. So it depends. You can put in anything here, XL, S, L, medium or M. I'll just put in the words for this example. So we'll just put in small, medium, and large just for this example video. Now we've configured our sizes. So what we'd like to do now is we'll add a new product. So in our Add a Product video, we've seen that by adding a new product, we simply click on Add New, which is the tab under Products. So in the Add a Product video, you might remember we added a product that only comes in one size and color, and that was a simple product. Now what we're going to add is a variable product. And a variable product is a product that comes in many different sizes and colors that people can select from. So we discussed adding our description and so on in the previous video. In this video, I just want to get straight to how to add the sizes and colors to our product. So under product data here, in our last video, we had simple product, which was just a product that has one price, one color, one size. It is what the picture is. You can put in your price and your sale price. But for a variable product, we now want to click this where it says simple product, and we want to change this to a variable product. Now a variable product will mean that we have different sizes, colors, shapes, whatever options that you have, and each of those might have a different price. So we might give our blue t-shirt a price of €10, a red t-shirt a price of 5, or it might be on sale. So it gives us a lot more flexibility with the customization of the different prices and control over our stock. So let's start by, if we want to manage our stock, we can do so again. But what we really want to get to here is we want to go to attributes. So this tab here that says attributes. Now it says custom product attribute. In this box, we want to click down and we now have two options. We have our color and our size. If you added any other headings, you'll see them there also. So let's firstly add color. We click on color and we click add. Wait for the site to refresh, and now it gives us this little drop down box here. So we have two options. It says visible on product page and used for variations. The main one we want to click is used for variations. We can leave visible on product page there. It will basically, under the big description that we talked about in the first video, it will basically add all the colors there so people can see what colors are available. But used for variations is where we have a drop down box that people can actually click. Now in the values tab, we want to select the colors that this product is available in. So once we click in with our mouse, it will give us all the colors that we had previously added. So you don't have to choose them all. If you want to, you can press select all. But let's say we don't have blue and we don't have white. We can just X them out. Now what we're going to do, or sorry, I should mention, if you want to add a new color that you didn't do through the attributes tab, you can do so here. But just keep in mind, if we add a new color here, it won't actually be available on other items. So once we've selected the colors we wish, we can press Save Attributes. Once that's saved, we have one more step to do. We need to click on the Variations tab. Once we click on that tab, we see this Add Variation button. Now, if we only want to add one variation, we can just click Go and just configure it ourselves. But in most cases, we're going to click on this and we're going to press Create Variations from All Attributes. So this is going to add all the colors that we said this was available in. So you can see here it says 3 variations added. It should be our black, it should be our pink, and it should be our red. And here they are. What we can do now is we can configure each one of these. So the black one, for example, let's say we had a different image for that. Well, we can click on this and we can add a different image. So we'll just choose a random image here. That will be our black image. We can then manage the stock solely for this color. We can give it a price of, say, €45. Maybe the black one is on sale to 25. We can add 5 stock. So each product you are able to manage individually now. So if we go down to pink, we can give this one again a different image. We can give it a different stock number. We can make it a totally different price. And this one's not on sale, for example. Red, again, we can give it a different image, different price, put it on sale. We can say whether it's in stock or out of stock. So actually, let's put this one out of stock. Now that's great. We have all of our colors done. But now we want to add sizes for those colors. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit Save Changes for what we've just done now on the colors. And now we want to go back to the Attributes tab. And now we want to actually create more attributes. So we'll click on Size and we'll click Add. Let's select all sizes, large, medium, and small. And let's not forget to click Used for Variations. Hit Save Attributes. Now we can go back to the Variations tab once more. And we'll see where we have sizes here. So of course we've only got 3 different types. So at the moment we might have black in a size small, pink in a size small, and red in a size small. But that doesn't help because we also want to have our mediums and our larges. So how do we do that? Well, see this Add Variation tab? we just hit go. And now it will ask us to choose any color and any size. So we might have black, and now we have it black in a size medium. We'll hit go again, and now we can have black in a size large. So now we have our black small, black medium, and black large. We'll hit go again. And this time we're going to do our pink, and we're going to do our pink in size medium. We'll hit go again. We'll do our pink, and our pink in a size large. Now we just need to finish with our reds. So we already have our red small. We're going to do our red medium, and we're going to go again, and we're going to do our red, and we're going to do our red large. Now, over here we have 9 variations now. So there's 9 different types of product you can buy. So you can buy 3 different colors in 3 different sizes. And we can expand, press this button to expand all of them. And now we can go through and we have our red large and we can give it an image. And the same as what we did before, we can give it a price. And we got to make sure to do this for every different variation. So I'll skip adding images for everything, but let's just give them a price real quick. And they can all be different prices, or they all might be the same. So I'll just add in these prices here. Now, once I'm happy with that, I'm going to hit save, changes. And if you remember from our first video on how to add a simple product, we can add our descriptions in also. For this example video, I'm just not adding descriptions or categories because I just want to solely show you how to add your colors, your sizes, and different drop-down options. But let's just put in, this is an example of how to add drop-down options. We'll just put that in there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll to the top and we're going to hit publish again once more. Remember, the publish button is going to put this live on our website. Once the page is refreshed, let's now view the product and see what happens. Right, so now with a variable product, because we have different prices, it's telling us that our product starts at €25 and can get as high as €99. There's no image here because what I didn't do was add a main image. So we can go back to the product, we can edit it once more. And just for this example, I'll just add in a random image here. So this product image can be the main image. It might be a box, it might be just a bit of writing that tells you about this product, that it comes in different colors, or whatever color you feel should be the main image. And we'll just update this product now. So let's go back and view the product. We should have a main image there now, which we do. And now we also have our options, our color and our size. So let's choose a color, black, and let's choose a size, large, and it's €99, or black medium, €76. These are all the different prices that we said, or small. And we've got 5 in stock, and it's on sale to €25. And our picture has changed because we gave the black small a different picture. See? Let's check our pinks. We got pink small, pink large, pink small. Remember the different image we put in? Pink medium and pink large. Obviously some of these I did not give pictures to, just to all the small ones, if you remember. We have red, red large, red medium, and then we gave a picture to the red small. But remember, we put it as out of stock. So it's now out of stock, so you can't actually buy it. So that's how you configure your different drop-down options. I hope that video helped, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment bar and I'll be happy to help you.